Alright, I'm gonna give a little tour around the hotel. Here's a lamp. Stupid. Here's me. Here's the TV. I don't know what we were watching. Here's the chair. And here's Roger. Sleeping, I think. We'll bother him in a minute when I'm done with the tour. Here's the door to leave. And bam! Here's the bathroom. There's the tub. The dirty ass tub. Bam. Bam. There's a toilet. Toilet. Here's the sink. Soap. And here's me again. And why does it look blurry like that? Oh. Okay, back to Roger. Roger. Oh, poor baby sleeping. Get up. Get up.
Well, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, come this way.
No, I'm not ready.
Yeah, I'm getting dressed.
Alright, let me stop. He's stupid. You guys want to watch some TV with me? I don't know what the hell this is. Ooh.
Let's go.
But you love this fat ass. You don't love me. You don't want me no more. You know you do. Damn, Roger, you blend in with the fucking camera. I can't even see your ass.
Hey, what's that supposed to mean?
It means what it means. Why is it blurry now?
I don't know, because something is nuts.
Oh, there we go. I got it. I got it.
I need to...
Roger, stop taking the blanket. Come on.
I'm sleepy.
Okay. No more camera. Say bye.
Bye.
Peace out. Stop it. How you fucking stop this? Oh,